Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to read an oldie but a favorite, All About Animals, written by Childcraft. So today we'll just keep going off from where we left off last time. Hopefully that's good. Hopefully that works for all you guys. So today we're talking about butterflies. Beauty of butterflies. Okay. Butterflies are very beautiful insects. Artists have painted butterflies and poets have written about butterfly and grace for many years. Butterflies come in any different sizes, colors, and patterns. There you go, give it a read. I'm not big enough or not, but look at all those different butterflies. So we have a cells, a tropical, a peacock, a red admiral butterfly, and a small blue. The name's right next. You can read it yourself. A big change. A fat little brown and green caterpillar crawls out a leaf. A moth with beautiful black design on its silver wings flies past a brush. The moth and the caterpillar don't look a bit alike, but they are the same kind of animal. The caterpillar is a baby moth. Every caterpillar you see in the summertime is a baby moth or a butterfly. When a caterpillar comes out of its egg, it spends a few weeks eating and growing. Then one day it's ready to change. Some caterpillars fasten themselves to tree trunks and cover themselves with silk that they make in their bodies. This silk covers, it's called a cocoon. Some caterpillars hang upside down from tree branches. Their bodies become covered in hard shells. Some caterpillars dig into the ground. Can you read that? Give it a try. Out of these little yellow balls will come tiny caterpillars. The caterpillars will grow and grow. This is a puss moth egg. Puss moth, right there. Puss moth caterpillars look like a twisted leaf. Its shape and colors help it hide from enemies. Here's a puss moth. Can you see it? The caterpillar grows to sleep in its cocoon, shell, or on the ground. Some caterpillars sleep during most of the summer and wake up in the fall. Some sleep during the winter and wake up in the spring. But when a caterpillar wakes from its long nap, it has changed. It breaks out of its shell and pushes out of its silk blanket and crawls out of the ground. It isn't a short-legged caterpillar anymore. It's a six-legged, long leg and two long fillers. Tiny red egg-like things on its back slowly swell up and become big wings. The crawling little caterpillar has become a flying creature, a moth or a butterfly. Caterpillar fastens itself to a twig. It covers itself with silk that it makes itself, its body. It goes to sleep. Puss moth cocoon. That's what a cocoon looks like. As it sleeps, the little caterpillar becomes a moth. It pushes it out of the silk cocoon and flies away. Puss moth, adult moth. Can you read that? There you go. Give it a try. Changing skins. Oh, we're on to grasshoppers now. Young grasshoppers climb upon a twig. For a long time, the grasshopper holds onto the twig without moving. Then a strange thing happens. The skin splits along the grasshopper's back. Something pushes up out of the skin. It's the grasshopper. It is climbing out of its own skin. All the many legs creations change skins many times during their lives. Insects, spiders, crabs, lobsters all do it. For a few hours after changing skins, the new skins are soft. They then turn hard like the one of your fingernails. In the summer, you may see what looks like a dead insect clinging to a twig or plant stem. It is an empty skin that an insect has grown out of and left behind. This picture is a grasshopper has grown too big for its baby skin. The skin dries and splits, and the grasshopper climbs out of it. The grasshopper's new wings are tiny and crumbly. As the grasshopper breathes, the wings fill with blood and stretch out. Give it a try to read. The soft new skin will become hard in a few hours. When the grasshopper grows too big, it will change skins again. There's a fully grown skin. Caterpillar, grasshopper. Chirp, creak, buzz. Chirp, creak, buzz. These are some of the insects' noise you can hear on hot summer's night. Most of the chirps, creaks, and buzzes you hear are made from crickets, grasshoppers, katydids, and quids. The male insects make some of these noises they call the females. None of these insects make its noise with its mouths. Male katydid make its noise by rubbing its wings together. On one wing, the katydid has a row of little teeth. On the other wing, it has hard little scraper. When the scraper is rubbed over the teeth, it makes a noise. You can make the same noise by rubbing a pencil over the teeth on a comb. Most insects make a buzzing noise when they fly. The noise is made by their wings moving up and down. Even so small an insect as a housefly makes a loud buzzing when it flies. But no insect has a voice. And although insects seem to be able to hear, most of them do not have ears. Grasshoppers, crickets, and katydids do have ears, though, but the ears are a strange place. The grasshopper's ears are on its side, and katydid's ears are on its legs. There you go. Give it a try to read. Okay, so we have a katydid. This insect gets its name from the noise it makes. It sounds like a katydid. Katydid. That's the top guy here. The middle guy, this is a katydid noise maker. It looks like through a microscope. Oh, this is its wings, its teeth, and its... And then the bottom one is a female katydid. Legs look like through the microscope. The holes in her leg are ears. Ooh, their ears are in their legs. Protection for insects. Insects are always in danger from many other animals, but many insects have ways to protect themselves. Many insects can fight back if they are attacked. Wasps, bees, hornets, and some insects can have painful stings. Stinging bugs chase other insects away by spraying bad smells at them. The bombardier beetle shoots out a stinger, bad tasting spray that will even chase away frogs. Some insects are good at pretending to be something else. They don't do this on purpose, of course. They're just made that way. But when the katydid sits on a branch, it looks like a leaf. Many kinds of moths look like a piece of tree trunk or bark. When walking sticks, and some moths, caterpillars look like twigs. Looking like something else is a good way for these insects to hide from other animals that might eat them. Ladybugs, monarch butterflies, and other insects taste bad. These insects are always bright colored, usually red, orange or red. These colors say, "I taste bad." Birds learn not to eat these insects. The insects are protected by their colors. So the top one's a honeybee. And a stinky bug. A bad smell protects this bug. Go figure, its name. And a walking stick. This insect looks like a walking stick. Monarch butterflies taste bad to birds. Birds learn to tell monarch butterflies by their bright colors and leave them alone. Vicious butterflies don't taste bad, but they look much like monarch butterflies, so birds leave them alone too. Both butterflies are protected by their bright colors. Top one's a monarch, the middle one's is copycat. But some insects that do taste bad are colored orange and black too. Birds are fooled by their color and leave them alone. So these insects are protected by their colors too. Many-legged home builders. Oh, we're getting here long. We're going over to ants. So we'll stop right now. And next time we'll start back up with ants. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the channel this time. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Thank you and have a good day.